Hey guys, in this project we make doorbell circuit. Here you can write the project of the name doorbell circuit. Now start the project. Click on the search button and search push button. This is a push button. Drag and drop and search 9-volt battery. This is a 9-volt battery. Drag and drop and search resistor. This is a resistor. Drag and drop this and take one LED. Also drag and drop and search buzzer. This is a piezo buzzer. Now every component I will selected. Now connect the circuit. Positive pin of the battery connect to the push button. And change the wire of red. And second pin of the push button 1B, terminal 1B, connect to the positive of the buzzer. Here we connect positive. Also change the color red. Here positive pin of LED also connect the push button. Here we connect the push button to the red LED. Red. You can also change the color of LED. Simply click on the LED and here is the color. You can change any color: green, yellow, orange, blue, red, white. I will make green. Now green. Now connect resistance. You can change the value of resistance. Simple click on the resistance and change the value of 400. Change the kilo ohm to ohm. Now first terminal connect to the negative of the LED cathode pin, and second terminal of the resistor connect to the battery, negative of the battery. Here we connected and wire will be black because this is negative wire. And negative pin of the buzzer also connect the negative of the battery. Color will be black. Now my circuit will completed. Now start simulate and see the output of the working. Click on the start simulate. When I press the push button, then buzzer and LED will be glow. Now I am pressing the push button. Buzzer and LED both are on. When I unpress the button, then buzzer and LED off. See, doorbell operate like this. You use the doorbell or not? This project is completed. Now see the next video to the next project.